Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about two-dimensional array in C++ programming. A two-dimensional array is a list of one-dimensional array, and also it can be said as array of array. And to declare one 2D array, first we have the data type of the array, then the name of the array, and then we use two pair of square bracket to specify the size of that particular array. And the array will be represented in a 2D matrix like structure where we have 3 rows and 4 columns, and the element in the position 0 0 will refer to as the element in the first row and in the first column, and the element in the position 0 1 will refer to as the element in the first row and in the second column. So like an example, we can declare and initialize one 2D array. So first you have the data type of the array, then the name of the array, and inside the first pair of square bracket we specify the number of rows the array going to have, and inside the second square bracket we specify the number of columns the array is going to have, and then inside the curly braces we have some inner curly braces for the first row elements. So I'm gonna put in bunch of numbers, and then after the comma we have one second pair of curly braces for the second row. So I'm gonna pass in a bunch of numbers, and at the end we have to close that statement with a semicolon. So the first pair of curly braces will have the elements for the first row, and the second pair of curly braces will have the elements for the second row. Now to print all the 2D array elements, we can use nested for loop, where the first for loop will run from I0 to I less than the row number and I++, and then we can use one nested for loop which will run from 0 to j less than the column number and j++, and in every iteration it will print individual array elements in the index position I and j, and also we should have some space in between the elements, and after printing each of the row element we should have one line break. So I'm gonna use end L. So I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see we have the output where we have successfully able to print the array elements. So this way we can declare and initialize one 2D array, and also we can use the nested for loop to print those individual array elements onto the console. And also we can have 3D array in C++ programming, and to declare one 3D array, first you have the data type of the array, then the name of the array, and then we use 3 pair of square bracket to declare one 3D array. Now to declare and initialize that array, first we declare that array, and then inside the curly braces we pass in all the elements. Because the array has 2 rows, that's why we have 2 set of row elements, and then we are having 3 columns. So inside that row we are having 3 set of column elements, and then we have the subset as 4, so each of those column will have 4 elements inside it. So hope you understand about the concept of multi-dimensional array in C++ programming. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.